Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install MX Linux 25.2 Infinity Edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to MX Linux. It is mxlinux.org. Then click on download. See here we have the XFCE and KDE versions. Fluxbox, KDE and Fluxbox. Okay, this video, but the installation process is same for all. In this video I am going to download and install this XFCE edition. Click on it to download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 2.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded MX Linux 25.2 ISO file. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating system. Then click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO file. See, once you selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Linux 22, but change this to Debian. Then select the Debian 64-bit. Don't select the checkbox, that is proceed with the unrated installation. Then click on next. Now you have to provide virtual hard disk size, memory and disk. Number of CPUs. I am giving memory as 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores to virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to modify any one of them, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click, select settings or select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is MX 25.2 XFCE and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor or right control to release the cursor. So you got the full screen. Okay, if you want to use this for live environment, you can use and you can shut down, but if you want to install permanently, click on this install MX Linux, or see here on desktop we have the installer. Click on it and hit enter, then click on install MX Linux. Now see, these are the terms of use. Okay, if you want to change the keyboard settings, click on change keyboard settings. If you are okay with these settings, then click on next. Select the type of installation, regular or custom. Customize the disk layout or replace existing one. I am going, see, this is a fresh installation, so I am going to select install regular install using entire disk. Then click on next. Installation confirmation, select hard disk, then click on start. See, installation is in progress and this is the size of this FAT file. Then click on next. Now we have to see, this is the computer name or host name. Okay, then click on next. Date also you can change the host name. Localized settings I am going defaults, and this is a time zone. If you want to change, you can select from this list, then select the region and zones. Okay, next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving user name as R2School. Then set the password. Remember this username and password. If you want to set the password for root account, select the checkbox, then provide the password, confirm the same, then click on next. See, installation is in progress. This will take time, so I am going to pause this video. At then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the first installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on finish, click on close. Now restart. Click on this optical drive, then remove disk from virtual drive, force unmount, right click on it, then reset, click on reset. See, now it is rebooting. See here MX 25.2 Infinity Edition. Now provide the password that you have set for this user. See, you have successfully logged in. You got the full screen. See here on desktop, before we are having install option, now it is gone. Now open terminal, then search for terminal emulator, close this one, increase the font size, preferences, then appearance, then click on this use system font, increase the font size, select it, close this one. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed. See, this is based on Debian Linux 13.5. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to MX Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update -- sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. All packages are up to date. Okay. You want to see the applications, click on here. See here we have different tools. So in this video we have seen how to download and install MX Linux 25.2 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.